Welcome to M365 Professional. With a subscription to Microsoft 365 Business Standard, you can run your business in the cloud and get your work done with increased efficiency. With a monthly or yearly subscription, you get both web-based and desktop versions of productivity apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, business-class communications with Microsoft Teams and Outlook, cloud storage with OneDrive and SharePoint, and access to a library of business apps and teams. In addition, you also get Exchange Online protection to protect your organization's email from spam, malware, and other threats. And each user license lets a user install Office apps on up to 5 of their PCs, tablets, and mobile devices. You get everything you need to be productive across your devices and grow your business with the latest software from Microsoft. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.